Hey everyone, it's Ward again with Kangaroo Contractors, and today we're going to show you a roof that we recently completed here in McKinney, Texas. And this is going to be a Golden Pledge Warranty roof, which we're able to offer as GAF Certified Master Elite Roofers. It's lifetime on the shingles and 25 years on the labor, but we have to do a lot of steps to make sure that it qualifies. So we strip off all the old underlayments, put down synthetic felt buster underlayment. Then we install starter shingles around the perimeter to prevent uplift. We install ice and water shields around all the penetrations. You can see it there around the chimney. And then after we do all that, we install GAF Timberline HDZ laminated shingles. And we also install high profile Z-Ridge, which are really thick shingles on all the hips and ridges. You can see it in the next picture that's coming up. And then we also have to make sure that it's adequately ventilated. So we install Cobra 3 ridge vents to make sure all the heat is exhausted out of the roof. For this customer, the hail not only beat up their roof, but it also beat up their pergola and their fence. You can see all the hail hits there on the fence. So we power washed and restained the fence and the pergola with a new solid stain. So if you need help with any of your insurance claims, give us a call and we'll hop to it.